another video. So today I'm going to make a homemade shampoo. This recipe is affordable and it's actually really good. I've been able to make my own stuff without any allergens, any sort of chemicals in that cause issues. It's quite important. So guys, watch to the end to see the result of what we get from this, how to do it, so that you can try it yourself. Also, remember, we've still got the giveaway as we're doing our sustainability pitch work at the moment, trying to do zero waste again. You might have an initial layout, but yeah, so that's why we're still giving away the $100 voucher. So please comment below or give us your best tip so that we can put you in to enter. Those who don't like commenting on videos, I have had some DMs and some messages on Facebook, so feel free to do that as well. So here we go guys, let's get watching. Right, and now 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now this is a half tablespoon, that's a tablespoon. Right, now onto the nice bits. Now this is an avocado oil, optional, but I find it amazing. Some of this is what I use as a vitamin E alternative. And this next oil. Half of this. Just to add to those streaks, so that adds a bit of moisturiser. And finally, a bit of tea tree oil. Right, then let's whisk this all together. Consistency. Sounds amazing. And oh my goodness, it smells nice. All natural as well. Like I say, I've still got tons of that stuff, and that cost us not actually that much, so right, so my next step, I'm happy with that, is what I will be doing is I will freeze some of it into little capsules I can use as I want, and it doesn't go off. So I'm using natural products from the kitchen. Right, I'm also going to, apart from freezing some, I am going to pour some. So I've got some I can use, and then that way, so look in and then. So there you go guys. Also, you should comment down below, comment on the Instagram, TikTok, whichever one you prefer, or even Facebook, and give us some tips, or even tell us what you've learned, or tell us when you're trying this and how it works for you. And there we go guys. Remember to subscribe.